Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Evidence. Yakhumbula indaba yewindi nokuthi vele in the hotels, I even said on the video before this one, the hotels normally, they don't open those videos. As in, they're just very hard also to open. Some are opened in some hotels. I think it actually depends with the hotel. Then there's something there that's not right within Dabaganathi Mthetho. Qhamuke itori manje zo-medication nama-DRUG ukuthi ube ne-yobisi in his body of some sort. Not that kind of yobisi, but nje medication basically. Ukubona leyo nto, not u-DRUG like that. But on a medication phakathi. Yeah, not that kind le ukubona i-C, not leyo no M laba bathathwayo baphuzwe bajovwe. Not that kind. Angithi guys, you remember ukuthi uNathi Mthetho was supposed to go to a 4 o'clock cocktail party. So it could have been that cocktails, like I was saying earlier on, ukuthi we don't know actually what happened, you know. And there's been a lot of speculations around this story. It's a bit much. This is why I was just like, we want, but you know what's crazy? Today they actually interviewed the family. Like, I didn't even know ukuthi wakambo nambi in KZN. They were interviewing the brother, the younger brother, ukuthi, hey, this is what has happened. He's just like, if it's actually next, we are still waiting. We still haven't been told ukuthi how is he even getting home from Leo Paris Abegion. The family is just, no one has come to us. No one has, like, somebody they were expecting at least not even necessarily Cyril Ramaphosa on his own. Not necessarily they were waiting for Cyril Ramaphosa, but I mean they're waiting for something, you know. And bona bafila ukuthi also baze ku social media. But guys, it's so crazy how now families bezwa ku social media ukuthi umuntu has actually passed away, because what happens is that apparently omunye usibari wabo, I think mhlambe wakubo ka sisters ubusisi lo abeshade nawo kaButhelezi ukuthi this is what has happened. Usalahlekile at the time kuyobe salahlekile ke, okay, just understandable, maybe uzotholakala ke how useyafona futhi usethi no utholakala kodwa ubeseshonile. This is how they put it. The family wasn't happy. And what I picked up from when they were interviewing the brother, ukuthi the dad is still alive, ubaba kaNathi Mthetho. As the French authorities continuing with the investigations, there's more things now coming forward. Ukuthi umuntu lo ngathi was intoxicated. There was some substances in his body, basically. You remember also there were scissors that were found in that same room after he had jumped off when they found him downstairs, and then they went to the room because this person had actually booked this room. Go and see what's happening. Now and then what's going on at the Hyatt Hotel leyo yakhona in Paris on the 22nd floor. At first, the message that came from the wife was almost like into kanje, I'm fearing for my life, but manje futhi sekuba sengathi it's like I wanted to unalive myself. Hey guys, and but there was no sign of struggle. This was done intentionally by him, basically. Guys, can we please get the right statements here? People must just continue investigating. Actually, ngapha Jiggy was apologizing to his wife, but Ube apologized for what? And then he was saying now in that message, I want to unalive myself, I guess. Or those French people, while they are investigating, they're finding other things. How are they going to tell us it's Latin? And chances are there. You know, guys, this is like crazy. But nakhona mawuya ehotela for some cocktail event of some sort that we're going to, because the wife did confirm ukuthi lo muntu kwakufanele lapho Jiggy futhi uselahlekile. Hey guys, and which means it was then on Monday at low 4:30 basho ngoba lo muntu indlela ekwenzeka ngayo utholakale izolo on the 30th, but in a way he actually passed on the 29th. When you look at it, the time of passing, ukuyibona lo nto. And he booked this room 10 days earlier. Now, uyayazi angithi suicide ukuthi njani? Suicide, it's premeditated in most cases. It's not something that you think about today. It really happens where uyicabange namhlanje. You can think it for years on end. So I'm about 10 days before, it's a planning towards, So there's a lot going on, guys. For an indaba yeMadlanga, it will remain a question because he was implicated ukuthi why protester some Modluli guy, this guy mustn't be investigated. Actually, every charge or whatever is going on around this case must actually be dropped, basically. When they went to his house in Waterkloof, the most posh suburb in Pretoria. So they were sitting at the table there, and Umkhwanazi was just trying to relate the story to us. General Umkhwanazi, Nazi Mthetho was there, and then it's just like, to me, I'm just like, I will need that in paper, basically, About which stories Nazi Mthetho, it's a lot, yeah. But now it comes off as someone who actually unalived themselves, and he thought about it for a long time. It's not something he thought about on that cocktail day of a meeting, until the cocktail day at the event, He's been thinking about it, which means, hey guys, we will never know, eh? Guys, it's so similar because now I'm a friend trust. I don't trust them. I don't think they're telling everything that has happened, But I appreciate you guys so much. Please, guys, subscribe, and like, and make sure your notification bell is always on. Thank you so much, Ngithanda over. Abantu, if they unalive themselves, it confuses people. Abasele ukuthi if akashiyanga notes, and then what must you think? And the phone yakhe uNazi Mthetho was found very far from the hotel. Like, I'm confused. I'm just like, hey. And then manje futhi kuba ilento ukuthi ene this was his way out ebalekele indaba zakhe zala eSouth Africa zeMadlanga. Uyabona guys ukuthi we will never know for sure. La uGeneral Dumisani Mthethwa akasitshelwa nokuthi uphethwe yini ngoba nayo senamatatu seyasapha, and iMadlanga is only coming back on the 13th of October, the same day as Senzo Mayo. Imagine.